Thank you, boys and girls, for accepting my challenge. However, before you will be able to help me solve my problem, you will need to learn a little more about measurement, how to measure, and what it will take in order to choose the appropriate operation when solving problems. This page is broken into 4 different parts. The first part involves you watching videos on measurement and watching a brain pop video on perimeter and area. Once you have watched those videos, you will then come down to the second part of our activities. The second part involves you reading an article on PebbleGo. Do not forget that in order for you to log into PebbleGo, you will have to enter into your e-class and log on through the online research library. Once you have finished the article on length located on PebbleGo, you will then come down to get some practice. These practice involve using an inch ruler and with customary units of length and choosing an appropriate tool. Once you have finished practicing using the ruler, you will then watch more videos on solving word problems. These involved solving 1- and 2-step word problems and choosing an appropriate operation. Once you have finished those videos, it is now time for you to practice solving word problems involving measurement. When you have finished all 5 of the tasks located on this page, you will then be ready to go to the process. This process is where you will see my home, and then you will be able to let me know how much paint I will need to paint my home. Good luck, and I can't wait to hear what you have to say.